Hello everyone, welcome back. Just a quick reminder of what we learned in the previous video. We learned about nouns. हमें remember करना है nouns majorly of two types, which is like common noun and proper noun. So अगर हम generalize करके बात करते हैं, अगर suppose I'm saying girl, boy, city, country, तो I'm talking about any girl, any boy, any city or any country. So these are called as common nouns, right? Magar, if I'm emphasizing, if I'm saying any particular girl, any particular boy, if I say Sean, the boy, Sean is playing in the garden, so I'm talking about particular boy. If I'm saying Sheena is playing tennis, I'm talking about Sheena. It's a particular noun. Alright, so if I talk about Mumbai, I'm talking about particular city. If I talk in general, if I say country, it will be a common noun. But if I talk about India, India is a proper noun. So I hope you understand this. So let's begin with the second topic today.
Now let's talk about verbs. Verbs are nothing but the action words. It shows action. So for example, run, fly, win, walk, swim. These are all verbs showing the activity. And we also have verbs as state of being, which is like love, be, believe, understand. So these describes the state. If we talk about sentences of verbs, it goes like
there are two types of verb, transitive verb and intransitive verb. So what's the difference? ट्रांसिटिव वर्ब वो होते हैं जिसमें जो एक्शन जब होती है, एक्शन विच पासेस ओवर फ्रॉम द डूअर और द सब्जेक्ट टू एन ऑब्जेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शॉन क्लोज द डोर, सो द एक्शन इज पासिंग ओवर फ्रॉम शॉन टू द डोर. शीना ब्रोक द ग्लास, सो व्हाट डिड शीना डू? शी ब्रोक द ग्लास, राइट? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड ट्रांसिटिव वर्ब. अब इन ट्रांसिटिव वर्ब में व्हाट हैपन्स, द एक्शन डज नॉट पास ओवर टू एन ऑब्जेक्ट or which is a state or being. Intransitive verb में क्या होता है? The action does not pass over to an object. Intransitive verb also denotes the state or the being. For example, the bird flew away, okay, and the girl sings sweetly. So the action is not passing over to some other object, okay.
Now let's discuss about adjectives. Adjectives are nothing but the words that describes nouns. So for example, beautiful, tough, small, black. How does it goes? Like for example, she was wearing a beautiful black dress. Another example could be Sean just purchased an expensive car.
Adjectives are categorized on the basis of what information they give about the noun in a sentence. So mainly we have adjectives of quality, which denotes the quality and gives you an answer of what kind of. For example, generous man. So what kind of a man? Generous. Similarly, intelligent girl, large billboard, cruel king, etc. And then we have adjective of quantity, which gives you an answer of how much. So for example, we have enough food. How much food you have? So it gives you an answer as enough food. Similarly, all my money. Then we have adjective of numbers, which includes definite numeral adjectives, which also include cardinals and ordinals. Cardinals are like the numbers, like 1, 2, 3, like can you please give me 2 oranges, or there are 5 mangoes in the refrigerator. So when we talk about definite numbers, it is so here we are talking about definite numbers. Or for other examples could be she came first in the race, or the magazine is on the 3rd position. So this gives you the position or the ranking. So like the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 7th, 12th, 14. So these are all called as the ordinals number. So when we talk about definite numbers, okay, so these are called as definite numeral adjectives. And we also have indefinite numeral adjectives, which includes words like all, no, many, few, some. So these are also adjectives, but these are indefinite numeral adjectives. We also have demonstrative adjective, which answers the question or which points out which person or thing is meant. We are talking about which person, we are talking about which thing. So we get an idea through demonstrative adjective. For example, those flowers in her garden. So we are talking about those flowers. So if I say that girl in the red jacket, so I'm talking about that girl in a red jacket. Interrogative adjectives, this includes questions with which, what, whose. When we use these words which, what, whose with nouns, so this is called as interrogative adjective. For example, what sort of boy is he, or which movie you're planning to watch, or whose parcel is this. So these are all interrogative adjectives. Now pause the video and identify the adjectives in the following sentences and find out the answers.